Have you ever wondered if your phone system could do more than just connect calls? What if it could tell you which marketing campaigns are truly driving inbound leads, how productive your sales team is on the phone, or even help you pinpoint areas for customer service improvement? Imagine having a crystal clear picture of every single interaction happening through your phone lines. That's not just a dream. It's the power of call tracking, and if you're a RingCentral user, you're sitting on a goldmine of untapped potential. In today's fast-paced business world, data is king. And when it comes to phone communications, call data is often overlooked, yet it holds invaluable insights. Think about it. Every inbound and outbound call represents a potential customer, a sales opportunity, or a crucial customer service interaction. Without tracking these calls, you're essentially flying blind, making decisions based on guesswork instead of concrete evidence. You might be pouring money into marketing channels that aren't generating calls, or your customer support team might be struggling with a specific issue you're not even aware of. That's where RingCentral's robust call tracking features come into play. RingCentral isn't just a VoIP system. It's a comprehensive communication platform designed to empower your business with intelligent insights. By effectively tracking calls in RingCentral, you can unlock a treasure trove of information that will revolutionize your operations, boost efficiency, and ultimately drive growth. So, how exactly do you track calls in RingCentral to gain these powerful insights? Let's dive in. The foundation of call tracking in RingCentral lies in its detailed call logs and comprehensive analytics. Every call that comes in or goes out through your RingCentral system is meticulously recorded. This isn't just a simple list of numbers. It's a rich data set that includes crucial information like the caller's ID, the duration of the call, the date and time, whether it was inbound or outbound, and even if it was missed, forwarded, or went to voicemail. You can access these call logs in a few key places. The most common and easily accessible is within the RingCentral desktop and web application. When you log in, navigate to the phone section, and you'll typically find a call log or history tab. Here, you'll see a chronological list of all your calls. You can filter this list by various criteria, such as all, missed, or recordings if you have call recording enabled. The search functionality also allows you to quickly find specific calls by entering a phone number or caller name. This immediate access to historical data is incredibly powerful for individual users to review their activity, follow up on calls, or simply recall details of a previous conversation. Beyond individual call logs, RingCentral truly shines with its analytics portal and live reports. These are where the magic of data aggregation and visualization happens, transforming raw call data into actionable business intelligence. To access the analytics portal, you'll typically need administrator privileges in your RingCentral online account. Once logged in, look for Analytics and then Performance Reports. This portal is your command center for understanding call trends and performance across your entire organization or specific teams. Within the Analytics portal, you can generate various reports. One of the most insightful is the User's Report, which provides a summary of inbound and outbound call volume and usage for selected users over a chosen date range. This report is fantastic for assessing individual agent performance, understanding workload distribution, and identifying top performers. You can customize the filters to analyze specific call types, queue calls, or even call length, giving you a granular view of your team's telephone activity. But it's not just about individual performance. RingCentral's analytics also allows you to monitor overall call center performance. Key metrics like average handle time, AHT, first call resolution, FCR rates, and abandoned call rates are crucial for understanding customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. You can track these trends over time, identify peak call times, and adjust staffing accordingly to reduce customer wait times and improve service levels. The beauty of RingCentral's analytics is its customizability. You're not limited to pre-built reports. You can create custom dashboards with widgets that display the metrics most relevant to your business goals. Imagine a dashboard showing your current call volume, service level in real time, and the performance of your active agents, all at a glance. This real-time intelligence empowers you to make faster, data-driven decisions. For example, if you see a sudden spike in abandoned calls, You can immediately reallocate resources or adjust your call routing to address the issue before it impacts customer experience significantly. Furthermore, RingCentral allows for automated report delivery. You can schedule daily, weekly, or monthly reports to be emailed directly to your inbox, ensuring you and your team are always up to date on key performance indicators without manually pulling data. This is a massive time saver and ensures consistent data review. Now, let's talk about more advanced call tracking scenarios, especially for businesses leveraging marketing efforts. How do you know which of your marketing channels, your website, a specific ad campaign, a social media post, is generating the most phone calls? This is where dedicated tracking numbers and integrations become incredibly powerful. While RingCentral provides excellent internal call tracking, for granular marketing attribution, you might integrate with a dedicated call tracking platform or leverage specific RingCentral features like call queues combined with unique phone numbers for different campaigns. By assigning a unique RingCentral number to each marketing campaign, you can then see exactly which campaign led to which phone call. This allows you to optimize your marketing spend, doubling down on what works and reevaluating what doesn't. Beyond pure analytics, RingCentral also offers call monitoring capabilities, especially useful for call center supervisors or sales managers. Call monitoring allows you to listen in on live calls, offering immediate coaching and support to agents. Features like Whisper let you provide guidance to your agent without the caller hearing you, while Barge allows you to join the conversation if necessary. This isn't strictly tracking in the data sense, but it's a vital part of understanding and improving call quality and agent performance. Another powerful feature related to call tracking is call recording. RingCentral allows you to record calls automatically or on demand. These recordings are invaluable for quality assurance, training, compliance, and even resolving disputes. The links to these recordings are often embedded directly within your call logs, making it easy to review specific conversations and gain deeper insights into customer interactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.